This is your friend, your Doctor Online, Dr. Erection. In our today's edition, we have come with a wonderful topic and a wonderful package for you. In case you are here for the first time, you are welcome and you are on the right place. I want to tell you that you're not going to miss anything. You are going to gain and gain and gain a lot. That you, in fact, invite everybody. All you can do and you need to do right now is to just subscribe, follow, and share our products and our videos so that your friends who are here to get some of our courses and some of the things, the informations we are bringing your way, will get to know it, because we say life is wealth, health is wealth. Yes, in as much you want to live and you want to do everything you want to do, you are very much needed to engage in activities and know what you need to know that will help you to live right in life. Okay, in today's edition, we've come with a wonderful package, and that is how to stop diabetes from getting you down, even on time, before you get older than you are right now. And in a case or in a situation you already have diabetes, or you have somebody that is suffering from diabetes and they're always having a high blood sugar, instead of you running here and there and then maybe you have taken some drugs and it's yet not giving you the right effect, the right result that you need, there are some other ways you can do it. You know, I'm your doctor online and your doctor, very much interested in your health, and you know how much I want you to get better, and that is why I have come today with another wonderful package. Because in some of our with some of our colleagues and some of us out there that do not literally believe in some traditional or roots and herbs, the use of roots and herbs to take care of some issues, they will not give you the right information. And that is why I am here to tell you the necessary thing that you need to do when you have taken glucophage, glanine, metformin, and yet sugar refused to go. And if I have treated some patients, I've had some cases that I encountered some patients that we even went to the extent of giving the person insulin injection, and yet time after time, even days after giving the injection, you will still see the glucose level still skyrocket. But then in situations that it has not yet come to the point that you start using insulin, what can you do to arrest the situation so that it will not go beyond there? Or a situation that you have taken these glucose drugs and yet they refuse to go down. The first step, what you need to do is, number one, get a glucose test machine, a glucose monitor machine, the one at home product, some things like this. It comes in a package. There are a lot of companies. This one is VivaCheck. There are a lot of other companies that are very much good and okay, that are serving well. You can have them at your home. Once you have them, the next thing you need to be doing is to be regularly checking your glucose level and to know what level it is, either low or high. Then this is one of the natural or traditional way to handle it. You'll see this I'm holding in my hand. It is called Abere seed, Anteria umbellata. That is the botanical name. Or Yoruba name is Abere seed. In our Igbo people, in our Igbo side, we don't have Igbo name for it. I also have their own name for it, but I believe that once you see this, you will know this is the fresh one, and this one is the seed that is supposedly inside this. So with this seed, the same thing that this seed can do on its own, this same fleshy one can do it. The difference is just that this one is a fleshy way and this one is a seed, and this one is easy to preserve and to keep for a long time. Okay, what will you do and how can you use this thing? If you are targeting sugar level that is always rising high with this Panthera umbellata Abere seed, Abere seed, A-B-E-R-E, Abere seed. So if you are targeting high blood sugar with this, first of all, call for this, check your glucose level. Once you have checked your glucose level, the next thing you need to do is wash this thing, as you're seeing it. Wash it, cut it, slice it into pieces. Get a can of water, either half of the can of water, then put the sliced or chopped pieces of this very Abere seed into the can. Pour a full glass of water in it, or if it is the side of Aqua Rafa can water or Eva can water, the big one or the small. If it is the small one, it's okay to fill it. If it is the big one, make it half of it. Then pour half of water to the half of that very can. Keep it somewhere cool, not hot, not in the freezer. Allow it overnight for 24 hours. In the morning, take a shot before meal. Before you eat anything, take a shot of it. Then in the night before you go to bed, take a shot of it. Then check your glucose level. But always remember that you have to first of all check your glucose level before taking this thing. If it is high, that is where you can take it. But if it is low, don't go there. And the reason why you have to check your sugar level first is because if you take this thing without knowing that your sugar level is already at normal level or below, if you take it, it will go below the low level, low range. So in that one, in that state, you're putting yourself at a great risk. So that is one thing with this. This thing also can do many other things. Aside controlling your sugar level, it can help with your low blood pressure. It can help to control your blood pressure and control matters of inflammation in the body and aches and pain. This thing has a lot of natural benefit that it is giving us. But we, the Africans precisely, we like playing with what we have. We like it when it is processed and given to us than taking it naturally the way it is. I told my friends that God has given us all the medications we need on earth. Yes, because I know for every season of ailment, there is a fruit and seed and root that are leaf that God has given to mankind, to nature, that you can take it before the time, so that before the sickness will come, the ingredient or the nutrient that will serve as a phagocyte, that will serve as a military defense against those things, will already be in your body. But then you find out that most of us, we don't care, we like going for the processed. But then this will help you in a long way, and then you will not be dependent on drug like glucophage, glanil, metformin, and the rest of it, and insulin. That is by the way. Then what about some of us that like it quick on the bed? Listen, you are highly in know. Welcome to the edition. You see this thing I'm holding in my hand called Abere seed. Let me tell you the secret. There is something you can add to this, and you get one of the most powerful and perfect result you need. And what is that? Just get a coconut water. The water that is inside the coconut shell. Yes, the water that is inside of it. Especially the one that is still young and succulent, that is not hard, that has not hardened. Yes, get a coconut water. As we said previously, wash this and chop it into pieces, put it inside a can, pour in the coconut water, allow it to be together for over a night. Then in the next morning, first thing in the morning before you eat anything, take a shot of it. Then in the evening, after all your dinner, before you go to bed, take a shot of it. You'll find out the next day that you'll be one of the strongest men, and your, what is it called? That thing will be as strong as a waist spanner. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to share and to like and to let your friends know. This thing is wonderful. It is wonderful, and there are many other things that we have on we are presenting to you. Just look for Erection Detox Spa and Clinic, and look for us there. We are always there to give you the right thing that you need. Just a little thing there on that bell shape that will give us your attention, that we will know that you are there. Then we'll begin to send you, and you begin to get many of the things that we are presenting to you. Remember, knowledge is power, and remember, confident in your knowledge, confident in your environment. Thank you so much. See you in our next page and next video. Bye bye. I remain your friend and your doctor, Dr. Erection.